Look at your body carefully. Your arms are thin. Your legs are thin. But your belly is big. You don't look fat, but you don't look fit either. You try dieting. You try walking. You even skip meals. Still, the belly does not go. If this is happening to you, then listen carefully, because today I will tell you why this happens, the one big mistake most people make, and how to fix it step by step. No gym needed, only simple truth. Watch till the end. This video can change your body shape. What is this body type? This body shape is very common. Skinny arms, skinny legs, big belly. Doctors and trainers call this skinny fat body. You look thin in clothes, but inside there is fat around your belly. This belly fat is dangerous fat. It is not just outside fat, it is inside fat near your organs. Why this is a problem? Big belly fat increases risk of diabetes, fatty liver, heart disease, hormone problems, low energy, low confidence, and the worst part, weight scale lies. Your weight may look normal, but your health is not normal. Why only belly fat? Many people ask, why only my belly? Why not arms or legs? Here are the real reasons. Reason 1, you eat less but wrong. You skip breakfast, you eat small lunch, you eat light dinner. But what do you eat? White rice, roti made with refined flour, sugar tea, biscuits, fried snacks, sweet drinks. Calories are low, nutrition is 0. Your body says, I am not getting strength. So it burns muscle from arms and legs, saves fat in belly for emergency. Reason 2, no muscle equals more belly. Muscle is like a fat burner. Less muscle equals more fat storage. If you don't use your muscles, arms become thin, legs become weak, belly stores fat. This is why walking alone is not enough. Dieting alone is not enough. Reason 3, too much sugar and carbs. Even healthy foods can cause belly fat. Example, too much rice, too many rotis, fruit juice, sweet tea, honey in excess. This increases insulin. High insulin equals fat goes to belly. Reason 4, stress and poor sleep. Cortisol loves belly fat. Poor sleep slows metabolism, increases hunger, reduces muscle recovery. Result? Skinny arms and big belly. If you still not subscribed my this channel, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get health tips and information immediately. Now continue our today video. The one big mistake. Very important. Now listen carefully. The biggest mistake is this: trying to lose belly fat without building muscle. This never works. You cannot starve belly fat, walk belly fat away, drink belly fat away. If you don't build muscle, belly stays, arms get thinner, body looks worse. The simple fix, step by step. Now the solution, simple, clear, doable. Step 1, eat protein every day. Protein builds muscle. More muscle equals more fat burn. Easy protein sources: eggs, lentils, dal, chickpeas, yogurt or curd, milk, paneer, fish, chicken, soybeans. Rule: protein in every meal. Even small amount is fine. Step 2, stop eating empty carbs. Reduce, not stop, white rice, white bread, biscuits, sweet snacks. Replace with brown rice, small amount, oats, millets, vegetables, beans. Step 3. Do muscle-building moves, no gym. You don't need gym. You need body weight exercises. Best exercises? Wall push-ups, knee push-ups, squats, chair sit-stand, plank, arm circles. Time: just 15 to 20 minutes, 4 to 5 days a week. This will grow arms, tighten belly, improve posture. Step 4. Walk after meals. Not fast walking, not long walking, just 10 minutes after meals. This controls sugar, reduces belly fat storage, improves digestion. Step 5. Fix your sleep. Sleep is not lazy time. Sleep is fat control time. Simple rules. Sleep before 11 p.m., no phone 1 hour before bed, dark room, cool room. Good sleep equals less belly fat. Common myths. Stop believing these. Myth 1. Belly fat is genetic. Truth: 80% is lifestyle. Myth 2. Crunches remove belly fat. Truth: crunches strengthen muscle, not burn fat alone. Myth 3. Lemon water melts belly fat. Truth: it helps digestion, not magic. Myth 4. Eating less is the answer. Truth: eating right is the answer. How long will it take? Be honest, this is not 7-day magic. Real timeline: week 1 to 2, energy improves. Week 3 to 4, arms feel stronger. Week 5 to 8, belly starts reducing. 3 months, visible body change. Slow progress equals permanent result. Simple daily routine. Morning: water, light breakfast with protein. Lunch: rice or roti, small, dal or chicken or eggs, vegetables. After lunch: 10-minute walk. Evening: simple workout, 15 to 20 minutes. Dinner: light, more protein, less carbs. Who should follow this? This is perfect for office workers, home workers, busy parents, beginners, skinny fat body type. No gym, no supplements needed. Warning: important. If you keep skipping meals, eating low protein, avoiding exercise, your arms will get thinner, your belly will get bigger. Please don't do this. Your body is not broken. You are just following wrong advice. Fix the mistake. Build muscle. Eat protein, sleep well, and your body will change. If this video helped you, like it. If you want a flat belly with strong arms, subscribe. Comment below, ready, if you are starting today. See you in the next video. Until then, be happy and be healthy.